Tuesday, Noyes notes and 1 degree outside today. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here. A quick shot of snow coming in later on today. Arrives from west to east. There'll be some localized reduced visibility and slick travel for the evening commute. It does wind down around midnight tonight, melting tomorrow. So even though it's a cold start this morning, we do rise into the 20s. Quiet to start, quiet through lunchtime. Notice clouds gradually on the increase. We'll be in the teens across northern Maine. And the first of the snow showers coming out of upstate New York arrive into the Berkshires, southern Vermont between about 1 and 2 p.m., sliding east. This is actually a warm front. So notice the temperatures right around 30. So as this does come in, roads will be more wet than white at first, but it does lift off to the north and east. So by the time we get to the evening commute, up and down 93 in central New Hampshire, a little steadier burst through central and northern Vermont, and then in through eastern Massachusetts with pockets of snow. Then we get a little lull in the action for a brief time before the snow fills back in. That's the actual cold front coming in. So between about 8 and 10 p.m., it'll ramp back up, and that's when the temperature is a little bit cooler too. So that may actually result in more snow-covered roads in spots. We mix with a little bit of rain. You notice along the immediate south coast back over to Cape Cod, briefly, particularly somewhere like Woods Hole, back through Chatham, Nantucket, and the Vineyard. And then it's out. It's done. So between about 10 p.m. and midnight from west to east, northern New England, we will hang on to some snow showers in the far north country, particularly when you get north and east of Portland. So for most of us, central, eastern, northern Maine through Wednesday morning with some localized slick spots as well. Temperatures you notice tomorrow morning running in the 20s to lower 30s. So for most, it's a coating to an inch here through most of Connecticut. 1 to 2, though, when you get back up to the Massachusetts border. Same with Rhode Island here, more like 1 for the South Shore back down to Cape Cod, where it's either side of about an inch. Little, if anything, though, maybe a coating on Nantucket and the Vineyard. Then either side of the Mass Turnpike here, it's more like 1 to 2. North of that is where we jump it up to about 2 to 3, with maybe a little bit of a higher total here through the New Hampshire seacoast. Widespread 2 to 3 through southern Vermont with some elevation enhancement. And then this big blue area does indicate a widespread 4 to 6 for northern Vermont, stretching through the Lakes region, through most of eastern New Hampshire, most of western and central Maine, a little bit less in northern Maine and down east Maine, where we'll probably end up around 2 to 3 inches. And then the deeper blues here do indicate 6 to 8. So we get a little bit of enhancement here in and around Conway, stretching back down to the Portland area with a few locally higher totals with elevation. We get a little upslope going on as well. You can track everything, of course, with our free 5-star weather app, the interactive radar and past plus future mode. Great tool to have. And you can also access our membership opportunities on there as well. 4 levels to choose from. Membership.onedegreeoutside.com for all the details.